Now I've given a time frame of June 2021 till 2024, and can also go on till 2025. Okay, so this is a very important video that I'm making, because so many of you have written to me that now we hope that corona is going to go away and the vaccinations have started and things are going to get better. So a lot of you wanted to make a lot of investments, especially in the property area, the real estate area, and even gold for that matter. So what I'm trying to say is that corona won't go this easily that you're thinking. It will expand in coming up days, in fact. Okay, this is something that I've seen when I was doing the calculation of the Kundali and the horoscope of India, and even in my pujas, the sadhanas that I do. Okay, so in that I have seen that corona won't go that easily. It will expand, especially from the month of damages will start from the month of June, but otherwise it will start its effect. The third wave of corona will start from the month of September. That's exactly what I've written. September 2020 I'm talking about. The new wave of corona is going to start from September 2020. Yes, people also who are vaccinated will go through this new virus that I'm talking about. Okay, so point wise I have written here, corona won't go easily. It will expand in coming up days. Third wave of corona will come from September 2020 onwards. Okay, new deadly viruses will come from August onwards. So yes, like I said, that new viruses will emerge in August 2020. Okay, and it will go on. These viruses will be more dangerous than corona. Let me remind all of you, this corona is just a trailer. The new viruses which are coming up in the coming up months, and the time frame that I've told you, it will be much more dangerous, and a panic situation will be created all around the world, in fact, not just India that I'm talking about. Okay, lot of natural calamities will also happen. When I say natural calamities, I mean earthquakes are predicted again from the month of June 2020. Okay, so if you people are planning any travel trip or any sort of tourism you have in your mind, please don't do that from June onwards, because in the hilly area, especially, wherever you have a lot of water and you have a lot of cold climate, these are the areas which will be the most affected. Okay, and when I talk about earthquakes, I mean not just in mountain areas, I mean even in Delhi NCR for that matter. If you're staying in Delhi NCR, you will go through earthquakes, and of course water damages are going to be immense. Floods, tsunamis, places which are near to the sea. Now you can actually evaluate all the countries or the islands which are near sea will go through a lot of water damages, and this is all because of planetary position of the moon is not very good. Okay, of course I don't want to talk about astrological significance, because I always make videos for layman who can understand a very easy language and does not get confused or does not lose interest that we don't know astrology. It's about Saturn, it's about Mars, it's about moon together. Okay, and other nakshatras also, but here I'm just talking in simple language that this will happen. Okay, I have also written cities and countries near water oceans have extreme damage situations which will happen. Lot of cyclones also. People must have seen already the Mumbai and the Gujarat situation which recently happened, but that was just a trailer. What I'm trying to say is it was just a trailer. So a lot of cyclone storms are predicted, and like I said before also, overall this cold countries will have damages too. Now I will name some countries like UK, Canada will go through a lot of damage. So all my clients who are there in Canada who are listening to this, please be very mentally prepared about this. Do not do any investments, do not do much of shopping, do not lose your savings financially, because this is going to be a crucial time, and it's not just about 6 months, 1 year or 2 years. We're talking about 3 to 4 years, because I mentioned here 2021 June till 24, and it can also go on till 2025. Okay, so your savings will save you, because internet, Mercury is also getting retrograde, and communications will be a problem. Sometimes internet globally will also have issues, connectivity issues, communication issues, and electricity issues also. Okay, so it's a crucial thing. If you're working right now, make the most use of your time. prepare yourself for all these coming up crucial months, and make yourself mentally very strong. Plan your things out, people. I'm telling you, plan your things out, because it's not going to be an easy sale. That's all I can say. I don't mean to scare all of you. I just need, astrologically, I should prepare you mentally to be stronger enough, because I know a lot of people are going through mental depressions also because of this coronavirus thing which is coming up. But it's going to be a much more tougher sail through in coming up months. Okay, so I don't know, but I wanted to give this information to all of you. Be very alert and become extremely hardworking. Just grab any job, grab any work that you're getting right now. No work is small right at this point of time. Just grab it, because you will understand the importance of it in coming up months. Okay, start collecting financial assets. Start collecting your start saving your savings. Don't just go overboard and think that yes, on the news channels it's showing that corona is going off. Even in India, people are talking about that corona wave is going down. All that is very temporary. Okay, so, and this is also for people who have vaccinations done. So that's about it. I'll come up with another important video on corona next week, or I'll try to make it earlier. Till then, goodbye.